Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing this blue eyeshadow look, very bold and kind of smoky. I really wanted to try something with a blue shadow because I've been kind of seeing it on YouTube. I just really wanted to try it. So if you guys would like to see how this is done, please keep on watching. Okay guys, so my face is clean. It's already been washed and moisturized. And so I'm gonna be using the Milani 2-in-1 foundation in 03 with a rose gold flat top kabuki brush from ItCosmetics, of course. And I'm gonna be dotting that all over my face and then tapping it onto my skin, because I feel like kind of like going in circular motions sometimes in the beginning kind of removes the product rather than actually sinking into your skin. So yeah, I'm going to be doing that. Next, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Better Than Skin Concealer in medium under my eyes, and because I really want to just cover those circles so bad. I recently I do like the way this concealer looks on my skin. I'm also going to be going in with the Maybelline Fit Me concealer in light, just to kind of give it a little lift, like a little brightening on under my eyes, forehead, nose, and chin. Just a few dots in each area. And again, I'm going to be using the flat top kabuki brush. Next, I'm going to be using the ItCosmetics Bye Bye Pores Press Powder with an e.l.f. brush. And I'm going to be putting that on the areas where I had the concealer. Next, I'm going to be using the LAColors Brow Wowie pencil. And you guys have seen me do this 1,000 times, so I'm just going to go ahead and skip that part. Okay, so next I'm going to be going in with the Shaaanxo, the Remix palette. And I'm going to be using the Need You color. It's like a brownish type of color. And I'm going to be using a ItCosmetics blender brush. And I'm going to be putting that all over my crease and a little bit above my crease. And I'm going to be building up the color. I'm using it a little bit at a time. Next, I'm going to be going in back into that palette. And I'm going to put in the color Dark Horse. And just giving myself a little bit more definition. And continue blending that in. I'm also gonna put a lot more onto my outer corners, just to deepen up the look. Next, I'm gonna be going in with the Kara Beauty Professional Makeup Palette, and I'm gonna be taking that sapphire bluish type of shadow, and I'm gonna be putting that all over my top lid. And I'm going to be using like a flat ItCosmetics brush. It's not a concealer brush, just like a flat brush. And I'm going to be building that up and putting that all over my lid. Next, I'm going to be going in with the ItCosmetics 28 Foil Eyeshadow Palette. And I'm going to be taking that blue shade as well and putting it on top of this eyeshadow that I already have on my lids. And I noticed that I wanted a little bit more pigmentation, so I used the Milani Setting Spray. Sprayed the brush and dipped into that shadow again, and it just made it pop a little bit more, which I really did like. I needed like that blue to kind of pop a little bit more. Okay, yes. Next, I'm going in with a that powder, that ItCosmetic powder, and just brushing out a little bit of fallout that I had. I'm also going back into that Kara Beauty Professional Makeup Palette, and I went in with kind of like a dark navy blue, and just kind of like made a little line where that shadow ended on my crease. And I used a detail brush for that. Next, I'm going back in with the Shaaanxo Remix palette and using that dark horse shadow and just darkening my outer corners. Trying to blend everything together to make it look seamless and well blended into each other. It was kind of hard to that, so I had to switch brushes with this Equal Tools brush, the Traveler set, and then I noticed that it was just too chunky, so I ended up trying to clean up with the ItCosmetics brush. I have no idea what this brush is called. It has no name or number. I next went in with my contour palette, which is mainly more like bronzing than contour. I used a whitish shade on there just to clean up the shadow a little bit. And I used a foundation brush. Next, I'm going in with the Tartiest Pro Glow palette in the color Sculpt and using a Wetnwild angled contour brush and just contouring just a tad on my cheek area and on my forehead because I feel like my forehead is just way too big. Obviously under my chin. Yeah, trying to contour just a tad. Next, I went in with that same contour bronzer palette and I tried to put in a little bit color into my face. I'm hoping it didn't come out too orange, but I went in with a bronzer and just bronzed up my face a little bit. I'm using the Bare Essentials brush for this. Next, I'm going to be going in with the Mannakadar Blush. And I forgot what the name of this blush is, but it's like a pinkish tone with a little bit of kind of like a little bit of glitter into it. And next I'm going in with the L'Oreal Paradise mascara, top and bottom lashes. This mascara is not my favorite mascara. It's so incredibly hard to remove. I totally forgot that I need to do my under my lashes, like put in eyeshadow under my lashes, and I went in just straight into the ItCosmetics 28 eyeshadow foil palette, and I used that same blue shade that I used for over the top of my shadow and connected it all together. Went in again with my mascara. Next, I'm going in with that same palette from ItCosmetics, and I took like a very, very type of pearlescent color and used it for my inner corners, my nose, and my Cupid's bow. And I also put on a little bit on my cheeks, although I kind of didn't like that. It was way too powdery for my cheeks. I didn't like that, but I didn't want to add in more and kind of make it look worse. And next, went in with the LAColors Nude Liquid Lipstick in Nude. Okay, so I hope you guys really did enjoy that makeup look. I really wanted to try out a blue shadow, mainly because it's not the color I aim towards to, even though it's like my favorite color, but it's not a color I aim towards because I feel like I'm not really good at applying blue eyeshadow, specifically because I don't want to make myself look like I have like two black eyes or anything like that, which I kind of felt it was going towards that way. But I really tried my best to fix that. I did like the end result, but obviously you can make it a lot more glam if you add, you know, false lashes and stuff like that, but I'm not really a person who uses lashes much. So the pop-up blue is so nice, especially on my bottom lash line and on my top lid. I really do like it. So if you guys would like to see more of these videos, please give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and please click on that notification bell to be notified every time I post a video. I would really appreciate it, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. God bless you guys.